kids! How are you doing? Today, we'll learn about verbs. Verbs are action words that describe what the subject is doing. Here are examples of verbs. Let's start. Jump.
Jump up and down.
The boy is jumping. Walk.
Let's walk.
The children are walking. Run.
Let's run.
The children are running. Dance.
Dance with us.
They are dancing. Sing.
Sing with me.
The girl is singing. Laugh.
Happy kids.
They are laughing. Hug.
Hug one another.
They are hugging. Eat.
Eat well.
The boy is eating. Drink.
Drink milk.
The boy is drinking. Read.
Read books.
The boy is reading. Write.
Let's write.
The girl is writing. Play.
Playtime.
The girl is playing. Quiz time. Find the verb. Remember, a verb is an action word that describes what the subject is doing. Which word is a verb? The baby drinks warm milk. Drinks. The girl eats an apple. Eats. The children play hide and seek. Play. The mother sings a lullaby. Sings. The king walks around the castle. Walks. Now you know verbs. Good job, kids!